I'm just letting my hair do its own thing today. Woo, woo, woo. Hey everybody, and welcome to my frizzy hair. It's okay, the weather's crazy outside. Anyways guys, as you read from the title, this video is back. You guys have requested it. You want it to go head to head. That's my son's alarm for his next class. Mom life. Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video is a highly requested one that we are bringing back to our channel, and it is, as you saw by the title, Boxycharm Base box up against the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for January 2021. You guys requested seeing these go head to head, which one came out on top, which one was my favorite, why it was my favorite, and all of that. So at the end of the video, I will go over where my top is from, as well as what makeup I do have on. So before we jump in, quick disclaimer, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, play in makeup, talk about makeup, sneak peek, spoiler makeup, all of that. And we are kind to one another. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Okay guys, so a little information about both of these boxes, bags, whatever you want to call them. So they are $25 a month. You do get to customize the bags, and the Boxycharm Base box, you do get to customize one item in here, and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies. And then as far as the Ipsy GlamBag Plus goes, you get to customize 3 out of the 5 items, and I would say it's about the same, at least $120 or more worth of goodies in this. You do receive full-size items in both of them as well. We're gonna go ahead and start off with my Ipsy. Now, every single month, just like Boxy, it is themed, and you do get a little bag in here. Everybody does get the exact same bag. This one on here says Dream, and my youngest is like in love with this bag. So great, travel friendly, you know, pull tie, all of that. Starting off with what Ipsy chose for me. Now, this is profile based. You can go in there and customize specifically if you want to see more high-end brands, or if you want to see like drugstore price brands, what have you. Now personally, in my Ipsy, I do have in my profile that I want all high-end luxury type of brands. That's just what I prefer, because $25, you're gonna give me luxury products? Absolutely. So starting off with the first item that they did pick is the Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Serum. It is full size. Now, as we know, this is typically sold or seen at Target, so I feel like this is definitely more of like a high-end drugstore product. So I was a little bummed to see this, specifically when, if you look at my profile, everything I have clicked is all on the high-end side of Ulta, Sephora, Nordstrom, all of that, Macy's. So little like about that one. So moving on to the next item that, again, Ipsy did choose for me. This is the Billion Dollar Brows, the best brow toolkit ever. So in this is a 3-piece set. You do have the little scissors, the tweezers, and then you have the mascara wand, and then the brow pomade type of doohickey brush. Now, as far as Billion Dollar Brows goes, I do like their formula for their brow pencils, their brow gels. Me personally, I pencil my brows in big time. I brow gel them down. I don't really so much have to even use those kind of utensils. Is it a good kit? Yes. But is it something that I felt like was curated for me personally based off my profile? Unfortunately not. So anyways, now the next 3 items are items that I did get to choose. Now what you're going to see when it comes to Ipsy GlamBag Plus is you will go in just like with Boxycharm on specific days, and you do get to customize 3 out of the 5 items, and they are multiple choice. The first one we're going to talk about, again, this is what I chose, but it was a drugstore type of price, $15.99. This is a YC collection, Let Me First primer. And at this point in time in my quiz, I was not really excited over the items that was my multiple choice on my choices. So it's been one of those things for the past couple months I have noticed with Ipsy that what my multiple choice is, I'm like, that's not it. You know what I mean? So that is my first item. Again, it's a full-size product. Moving on to the next item that I did choose. This is by Laura Geller, the Quench Intint Hydrating Foundation. It is a full-size item. I was able to customize the shade that actually I was not. It gave me the choice and my multiple choice for medium, which again was based off of my profile as far as what my skin tone and all of that is. So the only option I had for this one was in the shade medium, which I kind of feel like right now it's going to be a little too dark for me, but I typically wear tinted moisturizers in the spring and summer, so that's fine. The last item in here, and again, this is something that I use on the daily. I do like it, but when it came to my multiple choice, it just wasn't the items that I was overexcited about. But this is the Wonder Beauty Lip Retreat Oil. Now, I absolutely love this. And when I say it's not, the multiple choice items were not something I was excited about, the other options that I had, it was like, because I already have this. So for me, I was just kind of like, man, I'd love to see some other things in there, different brands, what have you. So, but I do like that it was just like the Laura Geller, high-end, you know, more expensive versus like a drugstore type of product. So that was everything in our Ipsy bag. Now you do get a card in your Ipsy. Now sometimes they will have in there information about each item in here. Now the past couple months I've told you guys they're not doing that. This was more of a zodiac theme type of month, which again has us all excited because if you guys don't know, my youngest daughter and I absolutely love like reading into dreams, zodiac, all of that stuff. So anywho, moving on over to the Boxycharm Base box. This is the $25 a month box, and you do get to customize 1 out of the 5 items in here. Again, just like Ipsy, everything is full size. Now when it comes to your customization, you typically get 2 to 3 or sometimes up to like 5 or 6 items to choose from, and it is a good variety as far as the items you're choosing. Some are more on, say, the drugstore side of prices, and then some, as you're going to see in this box, are bougie prices. So just like Ipsy, you do have a theme to every single month's box, and this for Boxycharm was Fresh Start. On the other side, you're going to see on their card that they always let you know everything that is in your box, the retail value of the products, as well as a little information about each product. So as far as the customization went for January, the item that I did end up choosing and I love is the Avient Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. You guys can see I've already been into it. This was one that you guys have tried out, recommended. And when I say bougie prices, y'all, I'm not joking. This literally has a retail value of $90. Okay, so that had me really excited. And again, to keep it fair profile wise with Ipsy, that is why I have like the bougie products picked out, the high end, the more expensive, the luxury type of brands, because when it comes to Boxy, you're going to see those kind of brands in here. Moving on to the next item, and this now is all nothing that I chose, it was just curated, what have you, and this is by Pharmacy. This is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer, and you do want to make sure when it comes to Boxycharm that you go into your profile, you're taking the quizzes. If they send you surveys, make sure you're filling those out as well. And again, this is what I want to see when I'm picking out my subscription boxes, when I'm deciding what subscription box I'm gonna go for. I want products like this that I can't necessarily get, you know, at Target or Kroger's or what have you. It's a little bit, you know, it's a step up. I really like that. The next item, this was a brand that was new to me. This is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange Coconut Balm. Now, the price on this one, honestly, I have to double check because I'm not for sure on this one. This has a retail value of $33, so yeah, it's expensive. And I did like this particular balm. It was very, very hydrating and very comfortable on the lips, and I'm really pleased with it. So that is the next item. Moving on, then I did get the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And again, the fact that this product has a retail value of $82, that wasn't too bad. And again, for $25, you're getting the chance to try out these products. So next and last item, this is by Ciate London. This is the Velvet Palette. Now, I actually did do a get ready with me using this palette. Very pretty palette, very easy to work with, very easy to use, and I was very, very pleased getting this. What you're gonna see when it came to the Boxycharm box is we had a really good variety as far as the makeup went to the skincare. Now, for me personally, I have to give it to the whole, you know, January 2021 Boxycharm Base box, because I absolutely was so excited over this box, everything in it. Yes, it was a little bit more on the skincare heavy side, but for me, I absolutely love eyeshadow palettes, so I was really excited to see the Ciate London palette in here. So I purposely chose my paid for boxes when it came to the Boxycharm and the Ipsy. I do purchase both of these. I do also receive both of these brands and both of these boxes in PR. But for me, I wanted to show you guys what a paying consumer would receive. And I mean, to each their own, everybody's different. Some people don't want as much skincare in their boxes as I did in this particular box. But you know, with that being said, I do have to say, as far as Ipsy putting Pixie in here, there are really good Pixie products out there. And just because, I need to keep in mind, just because the price is a little bit less expensive doesn't mean it's not going to be good quality. Good Molecules has proved us as far as that goes. So anyways, I have to give it to Boxycharm. I have a thing I always say, hashtag Boxy made me bougie, because I love the fact that for $25 I can get these high-end luxury name brand products darn near every single time in my box. And for January, I felt like it was really important for subscription boxes kind of to come in like big, you know, like show us what you got, show us what you're made of, keep us excited through the year. 2020 was kind of crazy, so we were hoping for the best with 2021, and I feel like when it comes to Boxycharm, that is definitely something that we saw for January. I mean, don't even get me started on what we're already seeing for February. Now, I will tell you, Ipsy is starting a new box called Ipsy X, and that is going to be a box that is quarterly, very much like the Boxycharm BoxyLuxe. That has me really excited, because we're going to see brands like Huda and Patrick Ta, IGK, just to name a few, and that's what I want to see. I want to see those high-end or luxury type of brands. So I'm excited to put my Ipsy GlamBag X up against, say, my Boxycharm BoxyLuxe. I will continue to come back and show you guys the difference between my personal paid for bags if you guys want me to continue them. Let me know if you guys both purchase, or if you purchased both of these bags, which was your favorite? Which one would you recommend? I see a lot of you guys in my comment section saying, okay, I'm gonna add another one. Boxy or Ipsy, which one? So I really hope that you found this video helpful. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the makeup that I have on today. I've got some crazy frizzy hair, but it's fine. So my sweater is so cozy. I actually purchased it in black and I've shown it to you guys in the past. I picked it up at Express. It's actually in a size extra large. Totally could have like gone down to a large. It does run a little big. I love these like bat wing arms and then the nice little ruffle. If it's still available at Express, I will try and link it down below for you guys. On my face, as far as foundation goes, I do have the Tarte Face Tape Foundation. My concealer is Tarte Shape Tape and e.l.f. Hydro Camo Concealer. And blush. My blush is my Scott Barnes Cheek palette. I absolutely love this. On my lips, I keep reaching for my Real Her I'm Confident lip liner. And on my lips, for lipstick, the Gerard Cosmetics Between the Sheets and Nude lipsticks on here. If you use code HOTMESS, you will save 30% at Gerard Cosmetics. Now, on my eyes, if you guys are curious, I went back and played around again with my Alter Ego Canyon palette. It is just, you guys, I told you guys when I reviewed this recently, I was like, I don't know. I don't have much of a tan. I don't know how I feel about the bronze. I really like it. I think you're really going to enjoy these colors. I love this palette. So that says a lot when I start reaching for palettes again. Code HOTMESS will save you 10% at Alter Ego's website, or shop Alter Ego if you want to pick up the Canyon palette. So anyways, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it enough to stick around and subscribe. Give your girl a thumbs up. Check out my second channel and please give me a follow over on Instagram. I would greatly appreciate it. Anyways, guys, I will have everything linked and listed down below if you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm or Ipsy, whatever it may be. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day.
Bye!
Do you have anything you want to say?
I just took my state board exam, so pray for me that I pass.
Oh, that's right. I forgot you don't get a thing.